This is not a drill. The furries have declared war on us and are sending us death threats for literally no other reason than to tell on themselves. The YouTuber Ruben Sim had recently made a video on this topic which us at Civil Defense recommend watching for further information. We now ask you to arm your homes and run to the trenches as we have gotten ourselves into a brutal conflict with the fatherless individuals. Please take arms as soon as possible so we can get them to leave us the fuck alone.